Ghanaian pop star Nana Kwasi Agyeman, popularly known as Gemann, has recounted some incidents that made his stay in prison horrific, with one being a claim that dead bodies were left in the condemned cell for days. Gemann was sentenced to death in 1995 after the court found him guilty of murder. He had shot and killed a taxi driver at Dome in Accra over a taxi fare. Gemann spent years at Nkansah prison before receiving a presidential pardon from John Agyeman Kuffer on January 9, 2009. Gemann, who is now a pastor, in an interview with Christina G. Frimpong on Onura TV's Anajimir, disclosed that the experience in prison is horrific.
The woman said, "The prisoner be a wa, or said police obeying the fingerprints."
Okay.
So, okay. Let's say, you must say a prisoner is messy and a world. So, all right. It is a be wa. Condemn or be an edano. The hawk and a different a better. Now, the woman said, Fofi and to Atana, and Nipano Friday. Book of fair police for now. Mama. Until any phone a bed down Friday, Saturday, Sunday, or Monday.
No common mountain.
So, until fool who are not pie. Nefe, a hot na bon.
Who experiences I don't know how many times.
Oh, so many times. So many times. You didn't call first, no. Nanka, the phone be able to an people record. Me and because me will be a patrol.
Sure.
Until if phone does one, I do maybe no. I gave up. Besides 17 people recording because if the phone does so. The woman said, "The prisoner be a wa, or said police obeying the fingerprints."
Okay.
So, okay. Let's say, you must say a prisoner is messy and a world. So, all right. It is a be wa. Condemn or be an edano. The hawk and a different a better. Now, the woman said, "Say, Fofi and to Atana, and Nipano Friday. Book of fair police for now. Mama. Until any phone a bed down Friday, Saturday, Sunday, or Monday.
No common mountain.
So, until fool who are not pie. Nefe, a hot na bon.
Who experiences I don't know how many times.
Oh, so many times. So many times. You didn't call first, no. Nanka, the phone be able to an people record. Me and because me will be a patrol.
Sure.
If phone does one, I do maybe no. I gave up. Besides 17 people recording because if phone does so.